Namaste everyone. In today's video, we're going to focus on Muni Patanjali's Yoga Sutra 3.46. Now in this particular Yoga Sutra, Muni Patanjali is explaining to us the Yoga Sadhak's perfect body and how this develops over time. Now we don't mean this in a physical sense, but rather some of the qualities that a body should have to be able to conduct itself in a near perfect manner. So let's take a good look at this sutra, start breaking it up word by word, and dive deep in to understand what some of these qualities of the perfect body are. So the sutra itself goes, Rupa Lavanya Bala Vajra Sanghananatvani Kaya Sampat. Alright, so this is the sutra itself. Now let's start breaking it up word by word to understand it even better. The first word here is Rupa, which refers to a graceful form. The next word is Lavanya, which means beauty. The one after that is Bala, which means strength. And the fourth one is a slightly long compound word, which is Vajra Samahananatva. Alright, so Vajra is indicative of, it's basically an old weapon that was Lord Indra's weapon, which was considered to be the hardest because it was made of Maharishi Dadish's bones, which were considered to be the toughest. And so that's why it's saying Vajra, but then it's also indicating the next few words which indicate maximum resoluteness or steadiness, sturdiness of an object. Then coming to the next word, we have Kaya, which of course means the body. And the final word here, which is Sampat, which refers to excellence or perfection. So let's take a good look at these key words again from this sutra, which are talking about what perfection in the body could look like. And so the first word here is Rupa, which means a graceful form. So a graceful form along with beauty or lavanya, two external qualities, followed by strength and sturdiness, right? The two next qualities. These are the four qualities which sort of combine together to give the perfect body. Now I think this is really important to understand because the first two are indicative of a certain qualitative experience of beauty, of grace, all things that are beautiful, and also of course beauty has its own meanings depending on how we understand it, but generally saying that the body is beautiful, it's graceful, and then at the same time it has a lot of sturdiness and strength. So sturdy that it can be compared to Lord Indra's weapon, the Vajra, which was considered the strongest. So this is really important to understand because it's saying that just by having beauty but being meek, whether for men or for women, is not enough, right? We can't have grace and beauty but have no strength or sturdiness. And at the same time, having sturdiness but ending up being too non-graceful with our actions could also result in a different kind of bodily format. So that's why it's important to kind of balance out both, have the sense of inner grace and divinity and walk with that sort of purpose and divine quality in nature, but at the same time have a really strong body which can protect you from diseases, which can protect you from the onslaught of any physical harm in that sense, and which overall just keeps you really safe and warm as the body should do. Now, I think what's really important to consider here is the body is our home. So the home at most times we would decorate and make beautiful as we think fit, but at the same time, making sure that the home is sturdy, making sure that it's not going to wither away when conditions get challenging is so important. And I think that's one thing we've all learned through the pandemic, right? That prevention is really better than a cure. So we might as well take care of our health, take care of our bodies, feed them, treat them well, discipline them, make the most of them, because honestly this is our home in this lifetime and we need to take care of it, nourish it and make it feel really good. So that's the overall input from this particular sutra, is just helping us to understand the qualities of perfection that a body can aspire towards, that the yogi will eventually develop just as a result of the practice and the strengthening of the vibhutis. So of course you can imagine somebody that can control all the Pancha Mahabhutas, that is so adept, that is hardworking yet detached, that has all the qualities present in the inner world, can of course, kind of display that in the external world, have that inner strength and quietude, while also having that external sense of fortitude and forthrightness. So I think it's a really amazing sutra from that perspective. Good reminder for all of us of what's important. What do we need to cultivate? What does perfection in the body really look like? So that's all for this Sutra 3.46. I hope you've enjoyed this rather compact and easy to understand sutra. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let us know what you think. What are the qualities of perfection that a body should have? And at the same time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we release new videos every single week. Also, please do share this video with your friends and family, especially if they're studying yoga philosophy or the Yoga Sutras. And with that, we look forward to seeing you in the next video or in the next class, course or workshop. And until then, take care of yourself, and we're going to see you very soon. Namaste.